Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glory here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so why did I do It's Glory? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glory here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to click the subscribe button, and when you do, please click the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I upload a new video and you stay updated. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. If you would like to see how I achieved this hairstyle, stay tuned and keep on watching, okay? So hey guys, hi guys. So I'm going to attempt a hairstyle. I don't know, I've been imagining these hairstyles. I don't know if it will look good on me. If it doesn't look good, okay. If it looks good, yay. So yeah, I'm going to try to do it now and we'll see where that goes. So yes, I'm going to be using Sister Puff today. Yay, Sister Puff is back. And I'm going to be using some Mali hair. This is just old Mali hair I have in my hair section place. So we're going to start with the hairstyle. First off, I'm going to section, I don't know if I want like the side thingies. Yes, I want it. So I'm going to do the side thingies and then I'm going to start with the hairstyle. Okay, thank you. So now that I'm done sectioning both sides of my hair, I'm going to flat twist it coming downwards. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm going to start flat twisting this side. Okay, so now that I'm done with this, I'm going to be using gel on my hair today. I know that's so weird. Gloria King's using gel on her hair. But anyways, I'm going to be using gel on my hair just on this side. And then I'm going to attach Sister Puff at the back. So I'm just going to section my hair now. Okay, so I'm going to section this part out of my way and I'm going to just spray the back section with water. So now I'm going to start with the front section. So I want to smoothen this part to fit in here. And then, okay, I don't know how to go about this. I don't know how to go about it. Okay, so I'm going to section this part a bit. Section this a bit. So I'm going to spray it with water. The olive oil eco styler gel, that's what I'm going to be using on my hair. So I'm just going to take a little bit, a very tiny bit here, this. I'm going to take that and I'm going to slick down this part of my hair. I hope that makes sense. I don't know if this is a good idea. I don't know. No one told me it was a good idea, but hey. And then when I'm done slicking this part down, I'm then going to take some and apply. Okay, so now that I'm done with this part, I'm going to focus on the front part. So I don't know how to go about this. I honestly do not know, but I'm going to be using this. Okay, this is kind of messy right now, so I'm just going to fix it a bit and then make it work. So yes, now I have put this in place. Honestly guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Honestly, I actually do not know what I'm doing. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty confused right now. I'm quite confused, okay? So in case this style does not come out nice, I am sorry. I'm sorry guys. I didn't do this on purpose. So now I'm done with this. I'm just going to apply put a scrunchie so I'm able to, you know, attach it on my head. On my hair, sorry. This is the hair, so I'm just going to attach this scrunchie over it. So yes, this is what it's looking like. Hopefully this hairstyle works out. And then now, should I use my natural hair? It could work. It could work with my natural hair. So we're going to ditch this for now. Okay, not necessarily. Let's see what it looks like with my natural hair. So yes, now that I've done this twist I made, I'm going to put it in here just so it doesn't show up and spoil the whole show. So I'm going to twist this. So basically I'm going to twist and tuck until I've covered the front section of her hair. And let's see, so we've covered up the tie there. Yes, so now the star of the show is gonna come out. This is Sister Puff. Yes, in case you're new to my channel, I made this. I'm going to put a link on how I made Sister Puff in the description box below, so just check it out. So I'm just going to bring Sister Puff back to life, okay? So I'm going to just spray some water on Sister Puff and then refreshing it, bring her, you know, fluff it out. Okay, so this is Sister Puff. I cannot find the elastic I use on Sister Puff, so I'm going to be using this shoelace and wrap it around Sister Puff just so I'm able to like attach Sister Puff on my hair. And when I'm done attaching the shoelace, I'm going to apply Sister Puff on my hair. Basically just making sure Sister Puff is secure, because when she's not secure, it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. So let's make sure Sister Puff is always secured. So I'm going to use bobby pins to hold down the last. Okay. So now I'm just going to use bobby pins and attach Sister Puff, like, to make sure she's firm on my head. So I'm just going to do the usual. If you follow me on here, you know the usual where I use bobby pins to attach the sides of Sister Puff on my hair. So now that I'm done with this, I'm going to deal with this. So I'm going to attach beads on this part of my hair. I don't know why I'm attaching beads. I have no idea why, but I just felt like being cute, you get me? So I'm going to attach beads on my hair and I'll be back to show you guys the end results, okay? Okay. Hey guys, hi guys. So I've come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what the final look looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it from the beginning, but this is what the final look looks like. And I added a little bit of Mali hair here on this part because I didn't want the beads to be on my face because my hair was long enough to here, so I didn't want the beads to be on my face area. So I decided to like add it to this part. Makes sense, right? Yeah, I'm sure it makes sense. But anyways, yes, this is what my hair is looking like. If you like this hairstyle, please give this video a thumbs up. If you think you're going to try it, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And yeah, I've come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends, sisters, cousins, uncles, brothers, yeah, whoever. Just share it with them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.